Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how we can remove the grid lines in Excel. Okay, so there might be a scenario wherein, for example, you have created a report card and it has a particular format, but then these grid lines do not give a very good effect. So you want to remove these grid lines so as the presentation of the report card or the final document that you want to, prepare looks good. So for that, what you can do is you can go to the view menu and there is a button which says grid lines view or not, right? So you can uncheck this and now you see your grid lines are gone. So whatever you have created now is with white background and there are no grid lines in the background, right? So this is the way one. Okay, a workaround to this could be done using the filling of cells. Okay, so to do that, what you can do is you can go to the home and let's say I want to, you know, remove the lines here on these cells. So I can select all these cells and then I could choose a color. Okay, so I can take any color from here and you see then if we color all these cells, then we don't see those grid lines on those places. So these are two ways by which you can remove the grid lines in your Excel sheet and make the sheet look far better than before. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, Excalibur. Thank you very much.